On the modern battlefield, there is a 70-ton mechanical beast that literally eats enemy missiles for breakfast.
The M1A2 Abrams tank is an absolute $72 million fortress of pure American engineering and indestructible heavy metal.
But how does this massive machine survive a direct hit from a supersonic missile traveling at Mach 5?
This isn't just a thick wall of steel. It is a highly complex, multi-layered trap for incoming weapons. The greatest threat to an Abrams is a sabot round, a solid tungsten dart fired at extreme supersonic speeds. This dart doesn't explode. It uses pure, terrifying kinetic energy to physically melt through solid steel like butter.
To stop this, the Abrams utilizes a highly classified British invention known strictly as Chobham composite armor. Chobham is a complex sandwich of heavy steel plates, elastic rubber, and incredibly hard advanced ceramic tiles.
When the superheated tungsten dart brutally strikes the ceramic layer, the ceramic instantly shatters, absorbing massive kinetic energy. This violent shattering process forces the deadly dart to bend, blunt, and completely lose its terrifying penetrative power. But against the most modern, devastating weapons, even advanced Chobham armor isn't quite enough to protect the crew.
That is exactly why the American engineers added the most controversial and dense material available on planet Earth. Hidden deep inside the front turret is an incredibly heavy mesh made entirely of depleted uranium.
Depleted uranium is nearly 2.5 times denser than standard steel. It is unbelievably heavy and brutal. When an enemy projectile hits this dense uranium mesh, it is like a speeding car hitting a massive mountain.
The incoming weapon literally shears itself to pieces against the extreme density of the uranium, saving the crew.
This specific armor upgrade makes the Abrams physically heavier than almost any other main battle tank on Earth.
But the tank faces another terrifying threat: high-explosive anti-tank rounds, which fire a jet of liquid metal.
To defeat this liquid fire, the Abrams is often equipped with Explosive Reactive Armor, or ERA blocks.
These mechanical tiles contain actual explosives that purposely detonate outwards the exact millisecond an enemy missile strikes them.
The outward explosion violently disrupts the liquid metal jet, completely scattering its highly destructive energy harmlessly into the air.
Even if the armor is somehow violently breached, the Abrams has one final, brilliant mechanical failsafe built right in.
The ammunition is safely stored in a highly reinforced, sealed blowout compartment located at the back of the turret.
If the ammunition catches fire and violently explodes, special blowout panels on the roof instantly give way.
Engineering, report status.
Shutdown sequence initiated, Commander. Pressure holding steady.
It is a masterclass in extreme survival physics, utilizing layers of destruction to ultimately preserve human life inside.
The staggering amount of metallurgical science required to build this 70-ton moving fortress is truly a modern engineering marvel.
The M1A2 Abrams remains the undisputed heavy king of the battlefield, an unstoppable. The M1A2 Abrams remains the undisputed heavy king of the battlefield, an unstoppable.
Next time you see a tank, remember the deeply classified, highly explosive physics silently hiding right beneath the paint.